Hello friends, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. Today we learn 10 lines about Mother's Day. Okay, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. First point. Mother's Day, M-O-T-H-E-R-S, Mother's Day, D-A-Y, Mother's Day is a day to show love and love, love and respect to our mother. Mother's Day is a day to show love and respect to our mother. Second point. Mother's Day, M-O-T-H-E-R-S, Mother's Day originated O-R-I-G-I-N-A-T-E-D, originated in the United States, U-N-I-T-E-D, United States, S-T-A-T-E-S, in 1908. Mother's Day originated in the United States in 1908. Third point. Mother's Day teaches us to respect and obey our mother. Mother's Day teaches us to respect and obey our mother. Fourth point. Most of the countries, M-O-S-T, most of the countries, C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, most of the countries in the world, W-O-R-L-D, world, celebrate it. Most of the countries in the world celebrate it. Fifth point. The second Sunday of the second S-E-C-O-N-D, second Sunday of the month of May, month of May, M-A-Y, May, is celebrated as Mother's Day, E-R-S, Mother's Day in India. The second Sunday of the month of May is celebrated as Mother's Day in India. Sixth point. On this day, people give cards, C-A-R-D-S, cards, gifts, G-I-F-T-S, gifts, flowers, etc. to their mother, to their mother. On this day, people give cards, gifts, flowers, etc. to their mother. 7th point. My mother is a gift. My mother is a gift of God. Gift of God. My mother is a gift of God with motherhood. MOTHERHOOD. HOOD. Motherhood and affection towards her child. My mother is a gift of God with motherhood and affection towards her child. 8th point. They cared and loved as their entire life. They worked so hard. For us. They cared and loved us their entire life. They worked so hard for us. 9th point. She is the one who always 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 takes care of all the needs needs of her family members. She is the one who always takes care of all the needs of her family members. 10th point. I love my mother very much. Very much. MUCH. Okay. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Once again, happy Mother's Day. Bye bye.